Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing knotless braids for one of my beautiful clients. As you can see, I already prepared her hair off camera, washed, blow dried, and moisturized it to keep it healthy, easy to work with. I always start with neat parting, applying my products to make it look clean and professional. For knotless braids, I use the feeding technique. It's gentle on the scalp, helps to keep and avoid tension, and always still looks very slick. The hair gel I use is called X-Block. Sorry, I didn't make a video of the product, but I will put the product on the screen for you guys to see it. It's very lightweight and help hold the hair down better, and this particular product doesn't leave white cast, which is why I really love this product. I would recommend it anytime in the for braiders. If you want to do your hair cornrow, knotless braid, any hair at all, this is a perfect product for you to use. I take my time to make sure each braid is smooth, even and flows naturally. This style is lightweight and perfect if you want a protective look that lasts long. Knotless braid is always your girl. It's always your go-to girl. I love how the final result turned out. Very neat, very classy. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see how it comes out. And also, please guys, if you're in Abuja and you want your hair braided, please feel very free to reach out. I do home service. Also, I'm taking bookings. I'm always open to take bookings from you guys. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to help me grow and reach. I'm trying to reach monetization right now. I just hit 1K subscribers, and your like will go a very long way. Thank you very much. If you stayed till now, please hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you very much. At this point, we're already halfway through with the hair, and look, y'all, get into the detail. You can see how clean and chic this hair look. My client was already loving it. Me myself, I was already loving this hair. I was already wishing that this hair was on my head, because it's so clean. And guys, get into it. Look at this hair. I'm sure you can't deny it. I first posted this video as a YouTube short. I posted the short form on my TikTok and my Instagram too, and I was getting a lot of comments and a lot of questions, people asking me to show them the process on how I made it. And I thought, okay, why not just post a longer form so that you guys can see the process. So here I am posting the longer form. I'm sure from here you can get more details on the hair, how I made it and all. And like I said, I shared some of my products. The only products I use is X-Block and Sheen spray and hair mousse. That's basically all I use. And please, if you've come to this part of the video, this is where I'm going to ask you again to please like and comment on my video. Thank you. It's going to go a long way if you do that for me. Bye guys. I hope you like how this hair turned out, and if there's any other tutorial you guys want me to do, any other video you'd like to see, you can also just drop a comment and let me know, and I'll make it for you, because that's just how much I love you guys. Thank you very much. Bye.